Let's review before we move on. In this chapter, we moved a menu item from one menu to another. That was the contact menu item that was added from the contact module, and we moved it from the navigation to the main menu. We enabled and configured the contact module, and then as we realized that the contact module wasn't going to provide the functionality that we needed for our contact form, we went ahead and disabled it, and then we uninstalled it to make sure that all of the leftover items from the configuration changes that we made were removed as well. We then enabled the update manager and used it to install a Webform module, and then we began using that module in order to build our form for the Contact Us page. Before you move on to the next chapter, there's a couple of things you could do to challenge yourself. First of all, you can enable the contact module again and explore the user-based contact forms. Set them up so that users can have their own contact forms. Next, install a module of your choice, but instead of using the copy link method and pasting it in, go ahead and use the upload method using the update manager again. And finally, you could build out the contact form on your own using what you've learned about Webform already. We're going to go ahead and do this in the next videos, but just in case you want to step ahead and see if you can figure it out, that could be a good thing to do. And when you're ready, go ahead and move on to the next chapter.